In today's video, let's talk about the differences between general liability and professional liability. That's one of the most common questions that we receive at our insurance office, especially from newer business owners. Hey guys, I'm Mike. Thank you again for joining us on another video. Remember, if you like my videos and they're helpful, please like them here on YouTube. Remember to subscribe and click that little notification bell so that you're notified of any future videos that I release. Now, today's video, we're going to talk about general liability versus professional liability. And depending on the type of your business you're in, which policy makes the most sense for you to purchase. Sometimes you need to purchase both policies to fully protect your business. But let's go over some of that so that you can understand how each policy can protect you in the event of a loss. For general liability, think about general liability more as physical damage, injury, things that could come against you from third parties. And it doesn't have to just be a client or a customer, but losses or claims that can come against you, lawsuits from third parties due to physical damage. That could be bodily injury, property damage, or personal injury. Let's first talk about bodily injury. This could be from a premise exposure. People come onto your site. One of the most common is a slip and fall. You get sued or someone gets hurt on your premise, slip and fall covered by general liability. Another could be property damage at the person's location or at the client's location or at the third party's location. So let's say you're a plumbing contractor or you're an electrical contractor and you visit other properties. If you cause damage to that property, that person that owns that property comes against you for the damage. That's another type of claim that general liability can cover. Now that can be for ongoing operations and also completed operations. It could also be for property damage or injury caused out of your product. So if you're a manufacturer and you make product, that's another type of coverage that general liability will provide. And the last big type of coverage that you can think about provided by general liability is personal injury. That could be copyright infringement, advertising infringement, or even reputational harm to a person or a business. So that's general liability in a nutshell. General liability is widely purchased because almost any type of business is going to have some sort of general liability exposure. Almost all. Now, when you think about professional liability, think about losses or claims that come against a business from their clients or their customers. Not from third parties, all third parties, but from clients or customers because of financial harm caused to them out of negligence by the business owner or the business operation. Think about architects, engineers, construction managers, insurance agencies. Those are all industries that will need professional liability because professional liability covers claims or losses from a client or customer due to negligence from that business. That negligence could be in the form of contractual, not holding up your contractual obligations. It could be that they made a mistake that caused direct financial harm to their client or their customer. Could also be like personal injury. Copyright infringement is a big one. So think about it more as punitive damages from professional liability versus physical damage from general liability. Another type of claim or loss that professional liability can cover would be incomplete or substandard work. So if you're in the business of serving clients and your client believes that the work wasn't complete or the work wasn't complete in full or the completed work is substandard, that loss or that claim could come against you. That's where your professional liability policy will protect. There's some other overlying differences when it comes to coverage on a general liability policy versus professional liability. Think about general liability from some of the blue collar industries. Construction, widely purchased general liability. Manufacturing companies, hospitality type industries, retailers, main street businesses, businesses where people walk on the site or walk on the premise. All types of businesses that will widely carry general liability. And then professional, more of the white collar type businesses. So you think about your architects, your engineers, insurance agents, accountants, lawyers, doctors in the form of medical malpractice. Of course, construction managers, project managers, all those types of businesses that can create financial harm to a customer or a client. In a nutshell, those are the major differences between your general liability policy and your professional liability policy. As I said earlier, if you're a new business owner, sometimes that tends to get a little bit confusing. In some cases, we do have several clients or business types that need to purchase both to make sure that they're fully protected. In other cases, one or the other could work very well for a business. But if you have any questions or you need more details about general liability versus professional liability or what would be best suited for your business, give us a call here at the office. Our number is 858-384-1506. You can email me directly at mike@foagency.com or the agency at hello@foagency.com, and we will be happy to assist. Remember, please, if these videos are helpful, please like them. If you comment, I will reply. And please subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell so that you are made aware of any future videos that we release. We try to release them every other week, 2 a month, and we hope you like them. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on another video very soon. Take care.